Here, little crew, dive into the fun and educational world of Muddy Toys Adventure, where farm animals and insects get stuck in sticky situations. Perfect for curious kids who love playing with toys and learning about animals. This adventure combines hands-on fun with fascinating facts about farm life and insect behavior. Meet and play with a variety of plastic farm animal toys such as cows, chickens, and goats. Kick off the video. Encounter the mighty elephants. Elephants can be described by as either eating machines or manure manufacturers, depending on their activity at the time. Elephants digest their food with less than 50% efficiency. The surprising facts about chickens. Chickens are one of the most popular bird species on the planet, with billions of them raised worldwide for meat and egg production. Chicken is one of the most versatile meats enjoyed in various cuisines globally. It is a good source of lean protein. The graceful world of pandas. Pandas are well adapted to living in high altitude mountainous regions, and they have a special enzyme in their bodies that helps digest tough bamboo fibers. Pandas have a modified wrist bone that works like a thumb. Unraveling the mysteries of camels. Contrary to popular belief, a camel's hump is not filled with water. Instead, it stores fat which can be converted into energy and water when needed. Camels have a remarkable ability to find their way Understanding the ways of sheep. Sheep were one of the first animals to be domesticated by humans around 10,000 years ago. They were initially raised for their meat, wool, and milk. One of the primary reasons humans domesticated sheep Up close with the enigmatic raccoon. Raccoons are medium-sized mammals, known for their distinctive black mask markings around their eyes. Raccoons are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of habitats. A closer look at reindeer life. Some populations of reindeer have been domesticated by indigenous peoples in the Arctic for various purposes, including transportation, milk, and meat. Navigating the skies of geese. Domestic geese are derived from wild species and have been raised by humans for centuries. They are kept for their meat, eggs, and sometimes as ornamental birds. Geese are known unlocking the beauty of the cat. Cats are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. This behavior is a result of their evolution as hunters, as these times provide optimal conditions for hunting prey. This behavior also helps regulate body temperature. Our spotlight turns to ducks. While ducks are known for their quacking sounds, not all ducks quack. Different species produce various vocalizations, ranging from soft cooing sounds to loud quacks. Many duck species are migratory. Behold the mighty hippopotamus. Hippopotamuses are large, round water-loving animals that are native to Africa. The word hippopotamus comes from the Greek word for water horse or river horse. Although hippos are horses, aren't closely related, exploring the charm of goat. Goats are herd animals and will become depressed if kept without any goat companions. It is unhealthy for a goat if a family just owns one as a pet. Goats, being mountain animals, are very good at climbing. Unleashing the guide to dogs. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell that not only helps them explore the world, but can also be used to help people. Dogs have been used to help with police investigations and even to help diagnose and monitor health conditions in people. Story of the monarch butterfly. Monarchs are known for their incredible migration. They travel thousands of miles from North America to Mexico for the winter and then back again in the spring. Some populations migrate to California instead of Mexico. As caterpillars, monarchs feed unveiling the mysteries of rams. Sheep, including rams, have been domesticated for thousands of years for their wool, milk, and even their hides. Domestic rams are often bred selectively for desirable traits such as wool quality, meat yield, and temperament. The mystique of the white bee. White bees have a distinctive bright yellow collar, a yellow abdominal band, and a bright white tail. They look very similar to buff-tailed bumblebees, which have a browner collar and an orange-tinted tail. These bees are highly adaptable and can be found in various habitats. Meet the stag beetle up close. Stag beetles are among the largest beetles in the world. Some species can reach lengths of up to 4 inches. The lifespan of stag beetles is relatively short. Adults usually live for a few weeks to a few months, with most of their life spent as larvae underground. Nature's little heroes, ladybug. Ladybugs are often considered symbols of good luck and are popular in many cultures. In some regions, it is believed that the number of spots on a ladybug's back can predict the number of months of good weather or good luck. Ladybugs communicate through chemicals called pheromones. The life of Jackson's chameleon. These chameleons are known for their relatively calm and shy demeanor, making them popular as pets. However, they can become stressed easily, and proper care is essential for their well-being. Jackson's chameleons primarily feed on insects. Understanding the role of snakes. Snakes are a reptile that have been around for approximately 100 million years and evolved from prehistoric lizards. Snakes are found on every continent in the world except Antarctica. There are around 3,000 different species of snakes in the world. The extraordinary life of horse. Horses are known for their speed. The fastest recorded speed of a horse is around 55 mph. Horses have panoramic vision, meaning they can see almost 360 degrees around them. However, they have a blind spot directly in front and behind them. The average lifespan of a horse is around 25 to 30 years. Appreciate your time committed to watching farm animals and insects in the sticky situations adventure. Subscribe now for an unforgettable multi-toys adventure where farm animals and insects get stuck in sticky situations. Let's explore, play, and learn together in this exciting and educational journey. Stay excited for more muddy adventures. Catch you later, little gang!